Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that the screen do not respond to any touches or swiping and so on, it is just freezed, then you can try to force restart it, and you can do it just by pressing the power button, which is on the side of the device, and the volume up button together, and wait until the screen will turn black. So let me try to do it. Let me press the volume up button and power button together and wait. Ignore all of the notifications you will receive and let's wait until the screen will be black. Let's wait a little bit more, and as you can see, first of all I felt the vibration, and right now I can see the logo of the developer, so it means that after a second the device will be restarted. So we just went through a whole soft reset operation, and after that, after turning on the device, it should get back to its normal state and the screen should work. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.